Welcome, today in front of me DOOGEE V20, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone volume on this device. So first we should open the settings application, and after that tap on the sound section. Then you'll see here the ring notification volume panel. Just to mute your device ringtone, you should swipe this dot to the left side with your finger. And also we have the second way how we can do that. Just first be sure that here in default volume button control function we'll have selected ringtone, not media, so switch it. And after that, just by press up or down volume button, we can change the ringtone volume of our device. And just to mute it, press down volume button, and now we can see that we just successfully mute ringtone volume on our DOOGEE device. Also, we can do it by third way, just press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and after just swipe to the down this volume panel with your finger, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.